How to increase or decrease the screen brightness on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on display and go down to the brightness section. Now you can drag on this slider bar all the way to the left or all the way to the right to increase the brightness. Now another way you can do it is to swipe down at the top here, then swipe down once more, and down here is a brightness bar that you can adjust. Now if you tap on the down button, you can see there is also an option for adaptive brightness where you can turn them on or off directly in this shortcut right here. Now if you tap on details, it will take you directly to your display setting page, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.